Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to do the crochet linen stitch. This stitch is also known as the moss stitch, the woven stitch, the seed stitch, and the granite stitch. So to begin, you're going to need a crochet hook and some yarn. I've already done a little test swatch here in several different colors so I can show you how the stitch is going to be made. For the linen stitch, you will need to do multiples of 2 plus 1. So for this test swatch here, I have done 13 stitches, so it will be laid out correctly. And on this last row right here that I did in the yellow, I have already done the linen stitch, so this is going to be how it's going to look. The linen stitch is made up of single crochets and chains. If you're still learning to crochet and you need to learn some basic stitches, I have a playlist and I will have it linked up in the eye and down below. So since it begins with single crochets, I have already made one chain on my hook. So what we're going to do is we're going to work into this space right here, made from the chain in between these two single crochets, and we're going to do one single crochet into that space. Then you're going to make a chain. You're going to skip this stitch right here, which is a single crochet from the previous row, and you're going to work into this space made from that chain. You're going to make a single crochet. You're then going to chain again. Same thing over here. Skip this stitch right here, and you're going to work into this space, and you're going to make a single crochet. Make a chain. Same thing. Skip that stitch, work into this space right here. Make a chain, skip this single crochet, work into this space made from that chain right there, single crochet, make a chain, skip that space, work into this space. And you're going to do a single crochet and you're going to do a chain. Again, you're going to work into this space right here. You're going to make a single crochet. And that is how you make the linen stitch. And as you can see, you can figure out why it's also named the woven stitch as well. It looks like the stitches are all woven together. There's no real spaces in between them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. And please leave me any suggestions for future videos, any stitches or any patterns you'd like to see. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.